Hello and welcome to VR Sketch. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to use the teleportation tool. When you first load up SketchUp, it is the default tool pre-selected for you. If you want to select the tool and you have another tool selected, just press down the touchpad and you'll see it sits down here at the bottom, the blue teleportation symbol. To use it, you just need to pull down the trigger and aim where you want to go, and when you release the trigger you'll be teleported to that point. So let's pull down the trigger. See, we get our arrow indicator. Blue means it will successfully teleport us there. Pink means it's not going to work. So let's go stand down here in front of the steps of the Farnsworth house. As I release the finger, we'll move there. So now here we are standing in front of the steps of the Farnsworth house. If I just pull that trigger again, I can keep on teleporting to any point I would like to inside this whole SketchUp house. And this will work on any SketchUp model. Okay, we'll also see if you aim too close to a corner, it'll bounce us away, and that stops you from teleporting right up into objects, like that. Well, thank you very much for watching. That's it for the teleportation tool. It's probably the simplest tool that we have, but also one of the most useful. Thank you very much for watching.